What's good in and out of your hood, everybody? My name is Reside Q, and welcome to the channel. Since you are new here, let me tell you a little something about me.
Well, they all call me brother to the night.
Today, we're just going to get into something that a lot of people actually have been asking me. I know I'm kind of new to the YouTube, but if you follow me right on Instagram, then my flat twist outs are something that are always to die for. So if you want to see how we got here, then just keep watching. Alrighty, friends, we cannot do a twist out without a clean scalp, so we're doing a nice rinse here, and then we're going to get it into our shampoo, which is from Obia Naturals in their neem and tea tree shampoo bar. Smells incredibly delicious. Nice lather. And then we're definitely going to do a nice double cleanse, because I realize, especially right here, isn't very cleansing enough, and I love a very cleansing shampoo. We're going to wet our hair down, and we're going to go with our BRIOGEO Mega Moisture Avocado and Kiwi Mask. It's very thick in the jar, but it definitely blends out very well. Nice little bit of definition. I'm going to twist that up, place the shower cap right on, and sit for 45 minutes, and then detangle right before I rinse it out. Twisting it up, adding our leave-in right in the shower after this nice good rinse here. And then we're going to twist it up, hop right on out of the shower. We're going to go in with... After that, we're going to go in with the lemongrass super twisting butter. And then the mousse.
And definitely make sure we work it right on into this hairline, y'all.
Alrighty, friends. If you don't know, the best twist out always comes from a flat twist. Okay? So right here, I'm just telling you how I like to kind of shape my hair in a way. But I'm also teaching you how to part everything. So you're going to do a small section from the top. I like to part that down because then that's ideally how the twist is going to lay. And then I'm going to twist that 3 times. As I'm going through, I'm going to make a small part, separate that completely from the strands, and then twist and smooth, twist and smooth. So again, separating it completely, and then twist and smooth, twist and smooth. Yes? You may also be thinking, why am I not detangling? Well, the way my texture works, if I detangle as with all of these separate sections here, it's literally going to make my ends so very frizzy, and it actually really causes more damage to my texture because I have a very fragile, kinky, coily, coarse texture. So I'm just going to show you this little hanging mantua knot here on the end that I like to flip up and wrap 3 times. It's going to give me an extra curl. Kind of showing you just a little bit more here. But I'm going to let you watch, and we're going to speed right on through this. I'm actually going to do a side part. 1, because I want to disguise all of this right here. 2, is that I really want to bring some shape and volume to the hair.
I'm going to part straight across and then forward. Separate that piece all together, and then twist. Yes, I'm going to part forward, shoot, separating that piece all together, and then twist. Twisting.
And alrighty, finishing up our last section here. And I'm just showing you what things are looking like. I like to add bobby pins in my roots to keep them from getting so puffy and to keep them stretched. But we're also going to sit underneath the dryer, and we're back after 45 minutes and overnight drying. Add a little oil on my hands. take everything out and down smoothly. I like to just poke my finger right on through where the sections are separated at, as you can see. And then we are just going to pick, fluff, and shape as we go. Because, baby, this is everything. Ugh, yes. But don't forget to stretch. And these are my final results. Nice, fluffy, bouncy, defined. Everything that I always love in a good twist out, y'all. Once again, friends, thank you so much for coming to the channel. I really hope you enjoyed yourself in my classroom while you were in attendance. But before you go, make sure you click that subscribe button along with that notification bell just so you can always be underneath the spell every single time that I have a new video all up on your screen. But I won't keep you guys for too long. Thank you so much. Bye.